All right, welcome to February 2023 product update of Recruiterflow. Um, this is a big one. We have CV formatting or resume formatting feature now live in Recruiterflow. This has been one of the very frequently requested feature. So what it can do is you have a CV or a resume of someone. This is me, and you want to create a formatted resume with your logo, with your custom header, custom footer, a cover sheet, maybe take off, redact contact information and things like that. So you can create settings in document settings under the settings section and create your templates. And now all you have to do is just click on create formatted resume, pick the template that you want, and it'll automatically take out information and add in your logo, add in your custom header, custom footer, add a cover sheet, all of that. So we have all of this information. This is the cover sheet, and then on the second page onwards is where the real resume is, and all the job title, name, email address, contact information is all redacted. If everything looks good, you just hit continue, and now a formatted resume will automatically be created, which you can submit to your clients. So that's first. Second is we now you can control the email notifications that you get. So all you have to do is head on over to settings and go to profile settings, and here is where you can change any of what kind of notifications do you want to receive in your email. This has also been a very frequently asked feature by our users. Now we have it. There are a bunch of other updates that we'll put in the blog, and the link will be in the description below. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.